Welcome to this presentation on using large language models and knowledge graphs to improve the interpretability of machine learning models in manufacturing. This research was conducted by Thomas Baer et al. And published in 17th April 2026. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Today, we are addressing a critical challenge in the manufacturing sector, the interpretability of machine learning models. While ML drives significant advancements in areas like predictive maintenance, a lack of transparency often leads to user distrust and hinders effective decision making. Traditional explainable AI or XAI often falls short, presenting explanations that are either too technical for domain experts or lack the crucial context of manufacturing processes. Our research introduces a novel solution to this problem, leveraging the power of knowledge graphs and large language models to significantly enhance ML interpretability. Our value proposition is clear: to provide user friendly, context rich, and actionable explanations that bridge the gap between complex ML outputs and practical application in manufacturing environments. Our methodology is grounded in a post hoc XAI approach, meaning we explain the model's behavior after it's trained without altering its internal workings. We combine structured knowledge from knowledge graphs with the generative capabilities of large language models in a graph RAG workflow. The first pillar is knowledge graph construction. We extended the ML schema ontology to include domain specific manufacturing data, ML tasks, models, and their corresponding XAI explanations, creating a rich, structured repository of knowledge. The second pillar involves dynamic KG traversal and retrieval. Here, an LLM, through a multi-turn dialogue and a branch and bound approach, dynamically navigates this knowledge graph. This selective retrieval identifies relevant subgraphs or triplets, providing highly specific context without the need for complex Sparkle queries. Finally, the third pillar is natural language explanation generation. The retrieved structured context is then fed to the LLM, in our case GPT-4o, which synthesizes this information into clear, user-friendly natural language explanations. This approach ensures explanations are not only transparent, but also deeply grounded in domain semantics, crucial for manufacturing. We rigorously evaluated our approach through two complementary methods: a user-based study and a system-oriented robustness evaluation. In our user study, 20 professionals, split into developer and worker roles, assessed the quality of explanations for 8 questions per role. We measured helpfulness, understandability, structure, and length appropriateness using a 5-point Likert scale. The results showed stable mid to high scores for helpfulness and understandability across both groups. Developer ratings exhibited slightly higher means and reduced spread, indicating more homogeneous judgments, while worker ratings showed broader distributions. Kendall-Stowe correlation confirms strong internal consistency in ratings. For robustness, we subjected the system to 24 stress tests across 7 categories, including ambiguous queries and contradictions. The system demonstrated strong factual grounding and retrieval accuracy for well-scoped queries, effectively handling complex cross-referencing. However, it also revealed typical RAG limitations in interaction discipline, scope enforcement, and capability modeling. Overall, the system maintains a consistent level of perceived quality with identified areas for refinement. Our findings demonstrate that this approach produces explanations perceived as clear, well structured, and useful across diverse user roles. This aligns perfectly with the industry's growing demand for more transparent and user friendly XAI. We disrupt traditional XAI by moving beyond technical visualizations to deliver natural language explanations, directly integrating critical domain knowledge from the knowledge graph. This is a significant competitive advantage. Our moat lies in several key areas. First, dynamic knowledge integration, where the KG provides structured, up-to-date domain context, crucial for the ever-changing manufacturing landscape. Second, user-centric LLM explanations translate complex ML outputs into accessible language for both experts and non-experts. Third, the adaptability to evolving data means the KG can be updated without costly LLM retraining. And finally, our scalable graph RAG architecture avoids common fine-tuning issues like catastrophic forgetting. While we acknowledge typical RAG limitations in areas like prompt design and scope enforcement, these are well understood challenges that can be addressed with further refinement. In conclusion, our research presents a feasible and highly promising pathway toward achieving actionable post hoc explainability for machine learning models in manufacturing. By synergistically combining knowledge graphs with large language models, we've demonstrated a system capable of generating context rich, user friendly explanations. This modular architecture inherently supports scalability and practical implementation, allowing for independent updates to the knowledge graph and flexible integration with various LLM backends. For a professional team looking to implement this, the logical next steps involve first, refine prompt engineering to gain finer control over explanation length and specificity. Second, developing role aware explanation adaptation to tailor technical details to specific user needs. Third, focusing on automated KG management for efficient construction and maintenance. And finally, exploring the potential of smaller open source LLMs to replace proprietary models like GPT 4o, optimizing for cost and efficiency in industrial deployment. This research paves the way for more trusted, transparent, and ultimately more impactful AI in manufacturing.